How to buy NakamotoDEX token. So this token came under the symbol of NATOX. But before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards from crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. So if you click on their website, as you can see, you will be able to see this. So what you need to do, just click on their website here, and you will be redirected to pre-sale website that they have on too. So as you can see, this token is in pre-sale, as I just mentioned. To be able to buy this token, if you click on buy NatoX, as you can see, first of all, connect your wallet. For that, I will use the Bitget wallet. Now I will log into my wallet first. After that, click on connect to connect your wallet to the pre-sale page. Now what you need to do, as you can see, the listing 6 price it's 0.01 and next state price is 0.003. So what you need to do here, just select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, but make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. After that, type here how much you want to buy. I will just type it here, as you can see, and here you will be able to see how much you receive of that token. After that, click on buy NatoX, as you can see here, and now the network, it will be changed on your wallet directly from Ethereum to BNB chain. Click on approve, and here as you can see, click on buy NatoX. And now, sorry, you don't have, so if you have enough USDT, you will be able to complete the process on your wallet to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy NatoX token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.